Hey guys, welcome back. The holiday season is just around the corner. And if you're in the market looking for some good quality earphones, then this is the perfect time to get one. Kasi in just a few days, magaganap yung pinakamalaking sale ng taon both on Shopee and Lazada sa upcoming 12/12 sale. EDIFIER is having a massive sale this 12/12 and they've sent me not one, not two, but three amazing products to show you. If you're interested and you want to know more, stick around kasi yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Before we begin, if you are someone who loves unboxing, tech news, and product reviews like this one, please consider subscribing. Kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and helpful videos regularly. Since 1996, EDIFIER has been providing us with exceptional sound experiences, both for personal and professional use. They are headquartered in Beijing, China, and has since been a provider of high-quality audio systems. EDIFIER's expertise is making and designing high-quality audio solutions and making products that are both innovative and excellent in design. Back in 2012, EDIFIER acquired Stax Limited, a company with over 80 years of history in creating high-fidelity and high-resolution sound production. The focus of Stax is electrostatics, and it has become synonymous with electrostatic headphones. Because of this acquisition, acoustic technology, and award-winning designs, EDIFIER has become one of the leading brands in the audio electronics industry today. Okay, with that being said, unahin na natin yung pinaka-affordable dun sa tatlo, the EDIFIER X3 Lite. So this one is a follow-up from the EDIFIER X3 that launched 3 years ago. And kung makikita nyo sa case pa lang, it's very compact and lightweight. Kasyang-kasya siya sa bag or even sa pockets nyo. Pero kahit maliit siya, this will give you up to 6 hours of music playback plus another 18 hours from the charging case. The X3 Lite has an environmental noise cancelling feature with a single mic ENC plus a dedicated algorithm to catch voice. So if you're on the phone in public, madidinig ka ng kausap mo kahit madaming sasakyan or mahangin. Kasi this will reduce all the unwanted noise around you. It also has an IP55 certification for dust and water resistance, providing you with reliable protection throughout. Useful to lalo na if you're like me who walks and jogs a lot. Now about the fit, I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. It really gives you a good snug fit. Kaya hindi ka mag-aalala na baka matanggal siya or malaglag while you're running. It's really comfortable to wear kasi it only weighs 4 grams. The audio quality is also great for its price, giving you balanced highs, mids, and lows thanks to its fine-tuned 6mm drivers with super bass. You can also select from 4 preset EQs: classic, pop, classical, and rock from the EDIFIER Connect app. Now let's move on to the EDIFIER WH700NB. Actually, excited ako dito kasi medyo matagal na ako naghahanap ng headphones. And sakto naman na EDIFIER sent me this to try out. Well, I chose this color kasi feel ko mas marami ako na mateturn ng mga damit that looks good with this. So if I want to go out, hang out in a coffee shop, and chill, I just grab these compact headphones thanks to its foldable and lightweight design. Pinaka-importante sa akin yung fit when it comes to headphones. Kasi back when I used to take MRT rides from work, sumasakit yung ulo ko kapag matagal ako naka-headphones. But with the EDIFIER WH700NB, nagustuhan ko yung overall fit niya. You can also extend these to adjust. And as you can see here, meron siyang memory foam dito sa headbands, pati na rin dito sa earpiece, to give us a more comfortable experience. Another thing na nagustuhan ko is that you can connect these to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. So you can easily multitask and effortlessly switch between listening to music, online meetings, watching videos, and taking calls on 2 different devices at the same time. About the battery life, this is straight up awesome. Kasi it will give you up to 6 to 8 hours of music playback with ANC off. And 45 hours naman if they are on. A quick 10-minute charge will give you another 8 hours, which is really amazing. You can easily turn it on and off in the EDIFIER Connect app. You can also use the ambient transparency mode, which allows you to increase or decrease the intensity of the background noise. This is a very convenient feature, which allows you to switch easily between modes. I've tried using these headphones for voice calls, and wala naman akong narinig na distortions or drops sa call quality. Everything is crystal clear because of the 40mm dynamic drivers with titanium coated diaphragm for punching bass and transparent high frequencies. Okay, now it's time to check out the big guns. Let's talk about the EDIFIER Neobuds Pro 2. So this is the successor of the widely popular Neobuds Pro, which was released 2 years ago and was one of the pioneers when it comes to high-res audio on TWS earbuds. Pakita ko sa inyo yung case niya. And kung makikita nyo, very premium looking siya because of the brushed aluminum finish. It has the EDIFIER logo at the top and a USB Type-C charging port at the back. It also has an LED indicator here and pwede nyo i-customize yung color nito in the EDIFIER Connect app. The case feels sturdy and it also feels snappy when you close the lid. The Neobuds Pro 2 is a stem-type earbuds with a glossy finish. It is well constructed because they use top-notch materials to build this. This also comes with 7 pairs of rubber ear tips of different sizes for you to be able to choose the right fit for you. The Neobuds Pro 2 will give you about 5.5 hours of music playback plus 16.5 hours from the case. So 22 hours in total with the ANC off. If ANC is on, then you get 4 hours of playback and 12 hours from the case, making it 16 hours in total. These can be fully charged within an hour or so of charging. But a quick 15 minutes of charging will give you about 2 hours of playback. I've been using these earbuds for over a month. And isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko is how comfortable it is. These are IP54 certified for dust and water resistance. So you don't need to worry kasi they are very durable. They are very convenient to use kasi they have wear detection, which makes pausing and playing very easy. The shape of the stem makes it easy to use the touch controls. And pwede mo ding i-customize yung button functionality as well as the sensitivity in the EDIFIER Connect app. The Neobuds Pro 2 is using a dual driver system, a Knowles balance armature to focus on the highs, and a dynamic 10mm driver with frequency crossover technology to focus on the bass and mids. For connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.3 for up to 10 meters of coverage, high-resolution sound with LDAC, LHDC, SBC, and AAC. The Neobuds Pro 2 is extremely cost-effective compared to the Apple Airpods Pro 2 and Airpods 3. This is while having 5,000 Hz of bandwidth scope to a depth of negative 52 decibels deep noise reduction. Besides having a huge price advantage over the Airpods, meron din siyang dedicated app, which is the EDIFIER Connect app, wherein you can customize a plethora of settings to perfectly fit your use and style. You can also calibrate and play with the immersive 360 degrees spatial audio with head tracking technology within the app. It creates a fully captivating sound experience surrounding you with lifelike audio from every direction as you move. You should maximize this feature especially if you love watching movies or playing games, kasi it gives you an entirely different experience. The Neobuds Pro 2 is using EDIFIER's latest ANC patented technology that delivers a wider and deeper ANC. So whether you're outdoors or in a busy coffee shop, you can always enjoy whatever it is you want to listen to with the use of ANC. You can also choose from the multiple modes of noise cancellation in the EDIFIER Connect app. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, I've been using these earbuds for over a month now, and yung overall experience ko has been great. Whether it's for making calls, listening to music, or even playing games. The sound quality has been excellent and consistent. Guilty ako for being one of those people that listens to music at almost max level. And with the Neobuds Pro 2, wala akong napansin na distortions even at max volume. Alinman sa X3 Lite, WH700NB, or Neobuds Pro 2 yung nagustuhan nyo, this is the perfect time to get them. Kasi EDIFIER is having a massive sale both on LAZADA and SHOPEE. You can get the X3 Lite for $1,099, the WH700NB for $1,849, and the Neobuds Pro 2 for only $6,099. If you don't want to miss this, then don't forget to check out kasi available lang to for a limited time. Don't worry kasi maglalagay ako ng link sa comment section as well as sa description box. Okay, so that's the end of the video and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.